Hey collectors, check out the HIMOMO trading card storage box that holds up to 30 120 cards or 800 toploader sleeves. This set includes 4 large capacity boxes, each with 4 compartments for easy sorting and organization. Made from high-quality 4-layer cardboard, these boxes offer strong compression resistance to protect your valuable cards from dust and damage. The boxes come unfolded, but are simple to assemble using pre-planned fold lines and included instructions. Each box measures 14.8 by 13.8 by 4.4 inches externally and fits standard 3 by 4 inch cards perfectly. Whether you collect sports cards, Magic the Gathering, or even gift cards, these storage boxes keep everything neat and secure. Keep your collection safe and organized with this durable, easy-to-use card storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.